In front of me is the Smartfryer. This next generation of hot air fryers allows you to fry, grill, and bake responsibly. The air frying technology is the healthiest alternative to frying with oil. Prepare delicious snacks with up to 80% less fat. And preheat in no more than 3 minutes without the exterior becoming too hot. And it's easy to set up by the preset programs. And as the fryer uses hot air opposed to fat, frying becomes safer, and compared to a traditional frying pan, there's hardly any smell at all. The Smartfryer is easy to clean. Just simply put the basket in the dishwasher. Dig in.